ECUDESK Software ECU Support List Update 2025.07. Hey everyone, welcome back to Baabji Motors, your ultimate hub for all things automobile diagnostics. If you're passionate about cars, trucks, or just love digging into the nuts and bolts of vehicle technology, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm bringing you something really special and super important for every technician, mechanic, and enthusiast out there who's serious about ECU reprogramming and diagnostics. We're diving deep into the latest update of ECUDESK software, the powerhouse tool that now supports an astonishing 51 vehicle brands and a whopping 301 different ECU modules. That's right, whether you're working on a diesel Dodge Ram, a sleek BMW, or a reliable Toyota, this update has got you covered. But here's a question for you before we jump in. Do you know which vehicle brands and ECU modules are newly supported by ECUDESK's latest 2025.07 update? If you think you do, drop your answer in the comments right now. And while you're at it, share this video with your friends who need to see this. It's going to be a game changer for anyone dealing with ECU programming or diagnostics. Now, before we get started, a very important disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. Everything I'm sharing, from demonstrations to discussions, is meant to help vehicle technicians, enthusiasts, and learners understand how to better diagnose and program vehicle ECUs. We strictly follow fair use guidelines, and all the images, clips, or references are used purely for education and review. No copyrighted materials are used for commercial gain, and all trademarks and brand names mentioned belong to their respective owners. Always remember to follow manufacturer guidelines and local regulations when working on vehicles to ensure safety and compliance. Also, I have a small but important request. Most of you watch the videos but forget to subscribe. It literally takes a second, and it means the world to me. It helps me keep this channel alive and bring you more valuable content like this. So please, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and make sure to watch this video till the very end. We're setting a challenge today. Can we smash 10,000 likes and hit 1,000 comments within the first 24 hours? If this video helps you or your workshop, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you really want to support Baabji Motors, consider giving a super thanks to keep this channel thriving. Now, let's get into the full details of the ECUDESK software update released on July 1st, 2025, version 1.6.4.0. This update adds ECU reprogramming support for a total of 51 vehicle brands and 301 ECU modules. This means deeper and broader coverage for your diagnostics and programming work. Whether you're tackling modern diesels with complex SCR, DPF, EGR, NOx, and flap systems, or gasoline engines with catalytic converters, evaporative emission systems, swirl flaps, and more. Breaking down the update by vehicle brand and ECU types. BMW gets massive support with a variety of Bosch ECUs like the EDC17C41, EDC17C50, and EDC17CP09 for diesel engines featuring SCR, DPF, EGR, NOx, and flaps diagnostics, as well as gasoline Bosch MED 17.5.1 and MEV 17.2 families that handle catalytic converters, EGR, EVP, swirl flaps, and DDCs. Siemens systems like MSD80 and MSD81 for gasoline engines are also included, ensuring comprehensive diagnostic abilities. Chang'an and Chery brands are included with diesel and gasoline Bosch systems, while Chrysler benefits from Continental GPEC2 and Motorola NGC for gasoline modules. DF and DFSK now support Delphi ETC3 and Bosch gasoline MG1UA008 ECUs respectively, while Dodge Ram trucks get coverage with the Bosch EDC17C79 diesel module featuring SCR, DPF, and NOx systems. Dongfeng includes two specific Bosch EDC17CV44 diesel versions, supporting the full range of SCR, DPF, EGR, and NOx functions. FAW diesel Bosch EDC17CV44 variants offer SCR and DPF support. For Fiat, Bosch EDC16C39 and EDC17C69 diesel ECUs, along with Bosch ME 17.3.0 and MED 17.3.5 gasoline ECUs, are now supported. Ford sees vast expansion with Bosch diesel units like DCU 17PC43 and EDC 17CP05, plus gasoline ME and MG1CS series ECUs, including Continental SID 208 and SID 209 diesels. Photon, Fuso, and VAG Group brands have various Bosch and Denso ECUs covered. Geely and GM have multiple Bosch and AC Delco modules, extending both diesel and gasoline support, including complex SCR and emission systems. Great Wall, Hino, and Hitachi CM diesel ECUs are added. Honda gasoline ECUs, such as Bosch ME 17.9.3 and Kian series, get full CAT, EGR, and EVAP diagnostics. Isuzu receives extensive Bosch and Denso diesel ECU coverage, along with various transfer memory options. Iveco, JC, Jeep, and JMC have various Bosch diesel modules supporting SCR, DPF, and EGR. Kia/Hyundai enjoys an expansive list including Bosch DCU, 17 diesel, and ME gasoline families, Delphi, and Denso modules, plus Siemens Continental SIM 2K gasoline ECUs. Kubota, Land Rover/Jaguar, MAN, Mazda, and McLaren all have important ECU modules supported, spanning both diesel and gasoline variants. Mercedes-Benz now supports numerous Bosch diesel ECUs like EDC17C66 and MED17 gasoline modules, alongside Delphi and Siemens systems. Mitsubishi and Nissan have wide coverage with both Denso and Bosch modules, including Crypt ECUs. Peugeot/Citroën have Bosch diesel and gasoline ECUs, along with Continental and Delphi diesels. Renault support includes Bosch and Continental ECUs, plus Valeo gasoline modules. Sany, Scania, Shakman/Shaanxi, Sinotruk/Hao, Sanjiang, Subaru, Suzuki, Tata, Daewoo, Toyota, and the VAG Group all see various new diesel and gasoline ECU types covered, including Bosch, Delphi, Denso, Siemens, and Motorola. Volvo, XCMG, Yuchai, Yutong, and Zoomlion also benefit from new support for specific Bosch, Denso, Motorola, and WISE 15 modules. This incredible update essentially means your ECUDESK tool is now more powerful than ever, ready to handle a vast array of modules across dozens of manufacturers, tackling complex emissions and engine management systems with ease. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the most exciting ECU brand or module you've been waiting for support on? Have you already used ECUDESK for any of these new modules? Drop your experiences and opinions in the comments below. I read every single one and love to know what you think. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends, colleagues, or anyone who needs to keep up with the latest in automotive ECU diagnostics. Sharing knowledge helps all of us get better. Let's recap the challenge again. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on crucial updates like this. Let's smash 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within 24 hours. Your likes and comments help this channel grow and motivate me to keep bringing you the best automotive tech content. If you really want to support Baabji Motors, consider giving a super thanks. Every little bit helps me keep making videos that help you work smarter and faster. And here's the answer to my opening question. The ECUDESK 2025.07 update supports 51 vehicle brands and 301 ECU modules, covering a wide range from Dodge Ram to VAG Group and everything in between, including brands like BMW, Chrysler, Ford, Honda, Kia/Hyundai, Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, Peugeot, Toyota, and many more. This means if you're working on almost any modern vehicle, ECUDESK now likely supports your ECU for programming and diagnostics. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. Your support means everything to me. Keep diagnosing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy diagnosing, everyone! Remember, If you found this video helpful, smash that like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe now if you haven't already. Let's grow this amazing community of automotive tech lovers together. Baabji Motors, diagnosing the future, one ECU at a time.